Okay, so here at Frost, we also are a stockist of the Dinitrol products. A lot of these products are OEM products, so they are used online. It is manufactured in Germany. It's a great brand of products, this. And we'll start with the 60-30 aluminium filler. The beauty with this one is it's imbued with aluminium flake, so it's much harder than a standard polyester filler, but also much more flexible. The only issue with it is it can be a little bit more difficult to knock back, to rub down, because the way this is manufactured with the aluminium flake, it's flexible, but it goes really hard. So instead of using maybe a 240s, you might be looking at a 220s, 180s really to start that initial knockback. But very flexible, extremely durable. Not pinhole either, you don't get many pinholes with this, as long as you mix it either on a plastic sheet or something like glass or slate, something where don't mix it on cardboard, because cardboard, you can pull air out of the cardboard. So but yeah, you'll find that it doesn't really pinhole too much either. It is the 60-30 aluminium filler from Dinitrol.